Hi folks, I'm Meet with Two Guys in a Ride, and today we are out on a beautiful lake in northern Minnesota, and we're here with Rick, and we're here with his beautiful boat. So Rick, tell us what we're looking at.
This is a 2019 Super Air Nautique GS 20.
There's a couple different models of this boat. So the GS was sort of a crossover.
GS is kind of a crossover, good for skiing, surfing, wakeboarding. Kind of does a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything,
well.
and does it well.
Yep.
Right. Approximately how long is the boat?
This boat is listed as a 20-foot model. I think it's 22 feet from
the edge of the platform?
From tip to tail, yeah.
Okay, and then approximately how wide?
That I'm not sure.
I'm guessing it's close to, it's at least 7 feet, if not 8. That's
yeah,
pretty wide.
Probably 80, mid-80s, yeah.
And what kind of motor does it have?
That's a PCM ZR4, 409 horse.
409 horse, just enough to get to grandma's and back.
Yep, that'll get you there.
or around the lake and back in this case.
Right.
And it's got a single prop underneath?
Single prop, direct drive, yeah.
Okay, so you've had boats with different kinds of props. You've had the outboard props. Which one do you prefer driving as far as maneuverability? The props that are underneath the boat, or like?
For this type of water sports, yeah, the direct drive.
Okay.
For water sports, fishing, obviously, would be something different.
Yeah. Okay. And what is the covering, the brown covering that we see all over the boat?
I believe they call that sea deck. It's kind of a rubberized coating, no more carpet.
Okay.
Easy to clean, easy to maintain.
So it doesn't mold as easily and it stays clean.
Correct.
As we all know, if you have a carpet in a boat, how dirty that gets after a while, and that is always clean, isn't it, Rick?
Yep.
Okay, and then the seats themselves, is that vinyl? Then a type of vinyl, or
depends on manufacturer. There's a few different types of products out there, but yeah, it's a sun-rated
cover.
Vinyl.
Okay,
Yep.
All right. And then you have some air bakes here because you use this a lot for wakeboarding.
Yes.
And so you have some extra weight that you can add. How do you do that?
This boat has onboard factory ballast system. You just push a button, the tanks fill. And then we have some aftermarket bags added on top of that just for a little added weight.
Okay. And you have, the majority are in the back, right?
Majority are in the back and in the bottom.
Okay. You've got some ports on the back we were talking about earlier, the little silver circles.
Yep.
What are those for?
Those are GoPro mounts.
Okay, so you can attach it right there so you can get the person behind you there that's either skiing or tubing or wakeboarding or whatever.
Yep.
Get an action shot. Now I noticed that on the this bar goes across the top. Does that come as part of the boat, or is that something you added?
No, that's a factory wake tower.
Okay.
Got a place to mount the speakers. There's a camera there that you can view from the dash to watch your rider, and then of course you've got your board racks attached to that.
So you can actually flip that camera on at any time.
Yep.
So, I mean, it'll work as a backup camera too.
Yeah, back up, watching your rider.
Well, just watching the rider, which is really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, this does have an all-digital dash, correct?
Correct.
And then you've got a few physical buttons, and we'll get in a minute here, and we'll take a look at those. Storage. So if you're going to go out for the day and you're not going to really be able to dock, what kind of storage do you have?
Lots. Every single seat has storage. The two rear compartments have storage. There's onboard cooler, garbage can.
Oh, wow.
Pretty much name it. If you're going to go out for the day, you can load up.
You can load up and you can be comfortable.
Correct.
Where's the porta potty?
That way.
That way. All right. Well, let's take a step into the boat here, and we're going to take a little closer look at the digital dash and the interior. You know, you've got several cup holders down here. You've got one of your speakers back here. And we were talking, we're not sure of the wattage, but I can guarantee you can hear this thing across the lake.
Yeah.
So it's got plenty of wattage in the stereo system. And then over here on the other side, you've got, again, 3 cup holders and 2 of your speakers over here.
And any of those seats you can just grab and pull up, flip up. Yep, give her a tug.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, that's nice. They got nice hinged openings there. Here's your, okay, you got dual batteries.
Dual batteries, yes.
Okay. Wow, that is deep. You get a lot of storage in there. You weren't kidding, boy. Okay. Oh.
And that one's
man.
deep. Subwoofers up there as well.
Oh, wow. So subwoofer down in there and lots of storage. Extra prop.
Always.
All right, and then moving up here, you've got more storage.
More storage. That's where the actual stereo system's at.
Oh, right in there, sure. Okay. Well, you weren't kidding, Rick, when you said there's storage everywhere. If we come up to the front here, you're going to notice you've got several more cup holders. You got some right here. And then on this side as well. And then you've got two more of your speakers up front. 2 more cup holders here.
And storage underneath all those seats.
And then storage underneath all of these as well. Oh, there's one of the bags.
One of the aftermarket bags for a little extra bow weight.
Okay. And the other bag. Now, it almost looks, Rick, like it's designed, you can actually sit up here?
Yep.
Is that correct? Oh, wow.
12 passengers and designed to sit anywhere you want while you're moving.
All right, well, let's have you hop in, Rick, and show us a little bit about these electronic controls.
Sure, well, I can do it from here.
All right.
Push button system. So yeah, onboard system comes up. If you want to go back to the dock, hit yes. Pump start dumping the tanks, and head back to the dock, back to shore, load up if you're done for the day. If you want to go surfing, hit the little surf guy up here. If you want to ski, wakeboard, wake surf, select what you want to do, confirm yes. Everything fills automatically. You can customize those settings if you'd like. And basically just the factory stuff is pretty awesome and get you where you need to go.
Wow. And now you can also automatically set the throttle on this through the system, so it'll go a certain speed for you?
Correct. All guided by GPS. Set the speed for whatever sport you're doing and dial it in and the boat just takes over.
Wow. So when you're on the water, it doesn't steer for you though?
Doesn't steer, no.
But it'll keep your speed constant.
Yep. Yep. All off of GPS. It'll link up and whatever you want to be 10.4 miles an hour if you're surfing, you put it to 10.4, hit the throttle, and it'll take you.
No matter where the throttle is, it's going to take you to that speed. Wow. So you've got a few physical buttons down here. You want to just run us through them quick?
Yeah, just your basic functions. Nav lights are in the center. Get your stop, start. The numbered codes on the bottom, you can actually put in a security code, for theft.
Okay.
Hit a predetermined sequence, and that's your code to get in the boat. Of course, your horn is there, and you can anything the boat does automatically, you can make it do manually as well.
Oh, interesting. So what's the dial up here for?
Same thing, selectable. So if you're not hitting buttons here, if you want to control the radio, Bluetooth just came up there in the JL system. You could adjust your volume and whatnot here, switch for riders, pretty much anything you can do on the touchscreen you can do from this
here. So
joystick control as well.
It's a redundant system.
Yes.
So if you didn't want to use this touch screen, which I just think is awesome, you've had this for a little bit. Have you ever had any trouble with the screen? Like can't see it, or it's got water on it, anything?
No, it's pretty high definition, and I think they've got it designed pretty well where you can see it in sunlight.
And water never seems to bother. If your hand's wet, you touch something, it works.
Never had a problem, no.
I mean, that's just amazing that they can do that. If you do that in a car and it's wet,
right,
it won't work.
Phones won't even do that, right?
Right. So you got a built-in phone holder here.
Yes, sir.
You do have 2 USB plug-ins here.
Yeah, there's several USB charging ports you can
around the boat.
Charge electronics or use your phone from various locations. Yeah.
Okay. And then you've got also your own cup holder down here. The steering wheel, it tilts. Does it telescope?
Just tilt.
Okay, just tilt. But it's an adjustable seat.
Adjustable seat, forward, back, and then that piece there actually folds up so we can have a little taller chair.
Oh, nice.
Great for shorter drivers.
Oh, yeah. That's really nice. Instead of having to sit on the top of your seat and drive, like I do.
Factory mirror, yep. Fully
That's
adjustable.
factory mirror.
Yep.
Wow, that's big.
Yeah.
But it's nice. I mean, you got a wide area behind you and makes it easy. Plus your camera system.
You can see everybody back there. Yeah, camera shows up on your screen here if you're using that, and then you got your mirror.
Wow, that is just awesome. And this material here this is kind of the same as what's on the deck
Same.
here, just a different color, right?
Same thing. Yep.
Wow. That is really, really nice. What an awesome boat. Yeah. So now today we have an extra special treat, because normally when we review a boat we just do the boat, but since we're on a beautiful lake, Rick has agreed to take the boat out for us and catch some footage of the boat actually in action. Well, Rick, thank you so much for taking your time to share with us this gorgeous boat and for taking us out on the water with it. We sure appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching.